Assalamu alaikum friends. Today our project is face recognition using Raspberry Pi. For face recognition, first of all we need to install a Raspberry operating system into our Raspberry Pi. But before get started, we need to have some components required for our project. Now first thing is our Raspberry Pi. Here I am using Raspberry Pi 3 model B+. Next, a micro SD card. Here I am using 32 GB micro SD card. A power adapter for powering our Raspberry Pi. Casing, HDMI cable, a USB cam for live video streaming and image purposes, keyboard, mouse and a monitor.